back down here today at Utah. Amy wants to get back on them brim. I gotta put her on them brim. This time we got 2 things of crickets. Half a tube, bigger tube. Hopefully she can catch a brim for every cricket we got. And hopefully she can catch me some food. But we're gonna go we're gonna go try to catch some bluegill. We got a late start today. It's 4 o'clock, almost 4 o'clock, and on a Saturday. I don't like being out here on a Saturday. You got all your pleasure cruisers and you know what I mean. Anybody that fishes know what I mean.
Yeah.
You don't want to fish on weekends, but hey, we here, and hopefully we can get on some bluegill, and we're gonna go hit some of them same spots that we normally hit. Hopefully, being late in the day, hopefully we can still catch some. We should have been down early this morning, but hey, it is what it is, and hey, we'll see y'all when we get there. Hey. Oh, there he goes.
Brim.
Yep, it's a brim. It's a small one. No, he's a small one.
Oh,
We want bigger ones than this.
Took my hook. On my bait.
Yep, he didn't swallow it.
My bird I caught that.
That's right.
We got more crickets now.
Oh, we've got a lot of crickets. Hold on. I gotta remember to bring a rag. Here. I gotta remember to bring a rag next time. I know it. I gotta put rags in the boat here. You gotta hand it to me, Amy. There he is. What?
Huh?
You got me a brim.
Boom. Have you?
I just did it because I'm good. I did it. I did it because I'm good. I got me one. I got the second fish today. Amy, you can't catch them all. I done one up you. I done one up you. Mine was a keeper. Mine was a keeper. Mine was a keeper. Huh? Don't get it all. Don't get it all. I heard that. Don't get it all. Ow, that darn thing's biting me. Darn thing's biting me. Say, look. Yeah. Hey, let me get you back over here. I think I try to. There you see. There they are. Here you go, Amy. Here you go, Amy. Here. Here they are. Here they are. They deep. They are deep. Here. You take that one. You pull it on in. They're deep. Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, he's a good one. He's a good one, Amy. Here you go. Okay, you're gonna use that pole because it goes deeper. Gosh, man, he is huge.
That's huge, man.
They're deep. They all out in here, Amy. Oh, lower your pole some, Amy. It's got too much give. It's gonna end up hooking me.
Probably.
It's okay. That's a big boy right there.
That's a big one.
That is a big boy right there. Here, let me get you another.
Leave that other coat at home.
No, Amy.
Your coat.
No, we're going to use both of them. When they're shallow, you can use that. When they're deep, you use this one. But why'd you reel it up for?
I know, really.
Don't look like a cricket up there.
What? No.
There he is. Hey, move your line, move your line. Just throw it. Oh, okay. Yeah, just throw it up there. That's where they at. They still up there, bud. I got your brim. I'm sorry. That should have been your. Oh gosh, he's pink. Look at that. Look how pink.
That female. Bam.
I'm beating you today, Amy. I'm beating you today. You better catch him brim.
I can't move.
I know it.
Real out here far.
No, we're perfect. They still down. They still down a little bit. Just put it straight out behind us. Yeah, I'm just all messed up. I'm just all messed up. I could show you how to throw this. Throw this thing. Can you get it out of there? Get your bait out. There he is. Here, you want to reel it? Here, hold that. I told you.
That's my fish.
That's your fish. I'm sorry. You reel it in, cause baby, I'm sorry. They just really trying to. I'm sorry. You just reel it in. I'm gonna show you how to throw this thing. Oh, look at that. Look at that right there.
Oh, you're lined up.
They are just this. Look, you see what that is? Artificial cricket, baby. Tearing them live crickets up today. I can't help it. Can't help it. But look,
dark.
no, we're gonna practice on your throwing. We're gonna practice on you. Set it right out there. Come on, Amy, get one. I can't do it all. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It was gone. It was gone, Amy. All right, hold on a second. Let me get you. What do I do with them crickets?
Don't that put it off?
Yeah, you fed him. I don't think you gonna. Come back here, Chris. Here. He was in the wind. You should have had him. All right, there you go. I don't know. It's a slow go, ain't it? Oh, get it. Oh, wow. I'm glad you got one.
Little baby one. Dad?
I don't care. It's been a while since we got one. Huh?
Keep.
Oh, we can keep it, and maybe we'll get a couple more before we go home. Plus, I gotta say about what's this going on in here.
Huh? You're a big one, right?
They don't like them other ones, do they?
Okay. What the world?
I don't know. You did catch some.
Not a whole lot.
I know it.
I need to do a whole lot.
You need to do a whole lot.
Now people go.
Okay, people, we gonna call it a day. We got down here at the hottest part of the day, and it's done gotten late, but it was a hot one today, and we just didn't really catch many. We got about what, 5 in there maybe? 5. It just wasn't a good day. We're gonna throw them back because that just ain't enough to clean to me. I mean, I like to keep them, but if I'd have had 10 or better, I'd have kept them, but 5 brim ain't gonna do it. So we're gonna throw them back, and yeah, we just didn't have a good day. Amy's disappointed that she didn't catch many, and her cricket just didn't pay off today, and I caught a few off of the artificial cricket, and I let her reel in 2 of them. Both of them was on the cricket, wasn't they? Well, one was on the artificial cricket and one was on a regular cricket, but as soon as I throwed it out, I wasn't expecting to get a bite, but I let her pull it in because I mean I was really wanting her to catch them, but like I said, it was just not a good day. We got down here way too late and it was way too hot. The ones that I did catch was deep and they was slow about biting, but hey, we'll see y'all on the next one, Lord willing. And yeah, we'll see y'all on the next one. Say bye, Amy.
Bye.
Amy.
Bye.
Okay. Y'all have a good one. Hey.